Hi guys, and welcome back to the M Spot. I am Mia, and today we're going to be making something that I know a lot of people might have mixed feelings about, but because it's Easter, I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. So the main thing for tonight is we're going to make pickled eggs, pink style, because I like the color pink. I went ahead and prepared all of the ingredients ahead of time just so that you don't have to go through all the process of just getting things ready. So just bear with me while we get into it, okay? So, as you can see, I've laid out everything for you guys, and we're just gonna go ahead and just start putting the ingredients together. I am going to put the how-to and the exact measurements in the description box below. So while you're at it, if you like the content and you're interested in seeing more things, don't forget to just hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when I post new videos. Okay, so the first thing that we have is I'm going to just walk through what I have on this here countertop. We're doing 6 hard-boiled eggs, and we're doing 1 jalapeno, and for the coloring to get the pink look, we're gonna do beet, which I showed you earlier in my previous video. My mason jar, which, guys, to be truthful, this wasn't actually a pickle jar that I just took the brand paper off and just I'm gonna repurpose it because it's beautiful, it's big, it's sturdy, and it's just perfect for my pickled eggs. The brine I made from vinegar, sugar, water. It's very simple, and what I am gonna do to add a touch of flavor to it is I am gonna go to my herb garden, like I showed you guys earlier, and I'm gonna pick off a generous amount of dill that I'm gonna put inside of the jar to just let every one of these flavor combine and just marinate together. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just load the hard-boiled eggs into the jar. And I know a lot of people have problems getting the peel off the eggs, and one tip that I'm gonna share is after you finish boiling your eggs, if you put them immediately in cold water and add a few ice cubes in it while you're trying to take the peel off, keep dipping the eggs in the water. It comes right off, guys. Trust me, I've tried this many times and my eggs comes out perfectly. All right, after I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the pieces of beet right into the jar. And again, 1 medium-sized beet should be enough. Just pack it in there. Obviously, the more beet you add, the pinker your eggs will look. And guys, there's many ways to make different color eggs. I just wanted to make pink because I think it just looks really awesome. After the eggs, I'm gonna go ahead and just dump all this jalapeno in there because first of all, I like it spicy. So after I've done that, I'm just gonna fold the dill and just kind of maneuver it into the jar. And it might not look pretty, but it's gonna do what it needs to do, and which is gonna be awesome in terms of flavor. And because I cannot make a dish without putting a Scotch bonnet pepper in there, I'm just gonna put 1 whole Scotch bonnet on top for good measure. And then after that, I am gonna pour the brine on top. And I don't know if you can see, but immediately you're getting a color combination right off the top. Look at that, guys. Awesome. So just put enough so that all the eggs are completely covered. And once you've done that, just go ahead and just put the lid on, and voila. You now have pickled eggs, which you will then put in the refrigerator overnight, and after that, they are ready to eat. Bon appetit. See you on the next video.